Have you ever had a great idea and then lost it because getting it out of your head was just too much effort? Well, this is the solution for you. This is the Moto Pen Ultra. At first glance, it looks like a simple stylus, but the interesting thing is what happens when you pair it with the right devices. Because this isn't just about drawing or taking notes, it's about making your technology feel a little more natural. The Moto Pen Ultra works seamlessly with some of Motorola's most premium devices, including the Motorola Razr Fold, the Motorola Signature, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and it also works with selected Lenovo devices, including the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro and compatible Lenovo laptops. So whether you're folding open a phone, working on a tablet, or using your laptop, you have a more precise way to create, capture, and control. The reason I think accessories like these are interesting, it's because our phones have become incredibly powerful, but the way we interact with them hasn't really changed. Sometimes tapping and swiping isn't the fastest way to get an idea down. With the Moto Pen Ultra, you can quickly jot down thoughts, edit images with more precision, annotate documents, or even capture ideas without breaking your flow. And that's the surprise. The Moto Pen Ultra isn't really about adding another accessory to your phone, it's about removing the small barriers between having an idea and actually doing something with it. Sometimes the best technology isn't the thing that does more, it's the thing that helps you do more.
Hello, Moto.